Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you're a new hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. All right, let's get into these nails. As you guys know, I already prepped my nails and primed with OPI's Bond and Premium Nails primer. I'm going to be using, as you all should always know, Young Nails Pore Clear. I'm going to be using their Cover Peach as well as our color today before we, put our little design on top. But as you all know, if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I always base my nails with a clear whenever I'm going to use a color. I always use a clear acrylic base because that is how your nails are going to stay on for a very long time with no lifting. So I'm just letting the girls know, this is what I do. So look at this Cover Peach. Now this is the new it's not new, but it's a new color that I purchased. And I've been buying like a whole bunch of their colors because like I told y'all, baby, it goes on like butter, okay? Oh, and I'm using Extreme Nails liquid as my liquid. I do not use Young Nails monomer. I use Extreme Nails because that's what works best for me. As y'all can see, this is a very easy lay application. Me personally, I love their products because it's easy to apply, it's easy to work with. It doesn't dry out fast, and it just gives you time to work with it. And I don't know. I just feel like this product works best for me. Now, I've tried a lot of different products. The only product that I haven't tried that I still want to try is the Valentino products, but I've heard mixed reviews on it, so I'm still kind of tit for tat. But Young Nails, I've been using that for the last couple of years. I wasn't using the colors up until maybe a year ago. So, yeah, it's just, they really just work. Like, you barely see any lifting, they last, and the color's just so pretty. And this peach color is really pretty. I think the girls are gonna love it for the spring and summer looks. So the nails that we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be doing a spring flower nails design, just like some little cute dainty flowers for the girls. I thought they were really, really cute. I love doing designs on all the fingernails. Like, I think it's cool to get your nails designed, maybe like one or two nails. But for me, I enjoy designing like all of them because I feel like that's the only way, I feel like that's how you pop, in my opinion. That's how you pop. But yeah, I enjoyed this set. It was very, very easy, a very easy nail art. So that's why I was like, let me go ahead and do this tutorial for y'all so y'all can see, like, it's really not that hard. And honestly, it's really all about your hand placement and how you're pulling your brushes whenever you're applying like your gel color or whatever polish that you're using to create your nail art. Like, it's really about your control and how you're using your brushes. So as long as you start practicing more and start figuring out the products that you're using, the better you'll get with using your brushes and with, your nail art and your placement and just everything. Y'all, look at this. This is an almond shape as well, y'all. Like, I love it. Like, it's so perfect. Like, look how perfect it looks. But yeah. Oh, and you don't have to do too much extra cover. Like, for me, like, I only use extra acrylic, like if I hit it my size, like if I didn't get too much, like get enough on the side, like I just add some acrylic. But for the most part, like, it covers very well. This was my first time using Cover Peach by Young Nails. So honestly, I was like, okay, this is really, really cute. And I was like, let me go ahead and test this color out of you, because she was like, just use whatever color you want to use, whatever color powder you want to use, just do it for this design. So I was like, okay. But y'all, yes, y'all see how I file. So whenever I file, because I've been told that I file all types of ways, but no, what I do for the most part is I always go under and then I go up a little bit, but I never go into the side of the nail. I always just make sure I go around the freeform area of it. Like, I never try to go into your what is it, your size? I can't think of the name of the actual size, but the parts that actually goes into like the nail, like over there. Like, you see how I file, but I don't go into it. Like, I kind of just go under it, because you don't want to file too much of your acrylic off, and then you don't want to file your skin because it can cause you to bleed. And I've done it before, so I just be trying to let the girls know, like, baby, you have to watch how you file and filing under it, and make sure you know you picking that acrylic as you go, so you won't cut your client. Now, I'm not shy of cutting, baby, because I done cut a few people. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because honestly, I move really fast too. So like, I just sometimes I be so caught up in my work and moving, and I be thinking and going at the same time. I have cut a few people, but it's never intentional, and they never, like, you know, charge it to my heart or anything. They just be like, girl, you cut me, like, stop, don't do that again. But for the most part, you know what I'm saying, like, I make sure I don't go into that side too much, because I mean, you're gonna drill it anyway, so you don't have to drill that side, like over there in that corner, too much. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna be easy peasy. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something. When I first started using drill, y'all, I was so nervous. Like, I used to always use my file to file the nails, like all the way around. But I realized, you know, in the process, it still leaves lumps. And you still have a lot of buffing to do just to, like, smooth it out versus using a drill. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get into these nails and get into the rest of this tutorial. I enjoyed filming this for you guys. It was really, really easy. And like I said, it's all in how you hold your brush and how you place, like I said, your gel paint or your acrylic paint, whatever it is that you're using. It's all about your brush placement and how you're laying it. So as long as you get the gist of, you know, your hand movement, you'll become a better nail artist. And you don't have to do like extravagant nail art to be one of the best nail artists, bro. Just do what works for you and just make yourself pop. Like, that's all you got to do. But anyways, you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will hit y'all in the next video. Let me know how I did. If you like them, if you love them, share this video. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, I just want to come back and say that I'm using Savlon gel paints as well. I just ordered some of their gel paints off of Amazon, and these paints are really, really good. The only thing I can say about them is some of their gel paints, like, depending on the brand, well, I wouldn't say the brand, I would say depending on the collection that you buy, some of them are thicker than others. So I would really just watch and pay attention to that. But for the most part, they cover the nail very well. They last very well. I enjoy these gel paints. I will continue to buy these gel paints. I pretty much have all of Savlon's gel paints by now. So yeah, get into these. I pretty much have every collection though, like all of I think I have all of them, honestly. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all get back into this tutorial. I just wanted to stop in and let y'all know that I was using Savlon. Oh, and also I'm going to be using Extreme Gel Base to go over the color, because I didn't base it before I did it, because I don't like whenever you put the gel base down and then you start trying to do your color. I mean, not your color, your nail art, and it spreads a little bit sometimes. I don't like that. So whenever I'm doing like colored acrylic, I don't put the gel base down. I just go ahead and do the nail design first, unless I'm covering the entire nail, then I'll put the gel base down. But I'll wait until after I do this design, and then I'll put the gel base down. And then I'm gonna come in with the Mud Card, however you pronounce it. I'm gonna be using their matte top coat as the finishing touch. So yeah, get into these nails, ladies.